Yo, what's up? Dan here. So today we're going to be doing a unboxing of the TicPods Free by Mobvoi. I just got them in the mail. It was on Indiegogo. They almost raised $3 million. And yeah, so I just got these. They came in this little yellow baggie. And so here they are in all its glory. So as you can see, I haven't even opened them yet. I want you to be able to get the first impressions just as I'm getting them, and I'm going to unbox these. But before I really open these guys up, I just want to give you an idea of my new channel, that this is the first video on the channel. The idea is I'm going to be reviewing different products like on Indiegogo and Kickstarter, things that have been crowdfunded, and I'm just going to give you ideas of like, what are these things good or bad, you know, first look. Many of these products nobody's really seen yet, so I'm going to try to get in there really early and give you an idea. But I like headphones, different things like that, so you'll be seeing more of that in this channel. So anyways, now let's get into the specs and the different features of these headphones. I'll show you up close the box. So there's the front, and then along the side it discusses battery and different things. And there's the back. There's different features. I can show you up close a little bit better. But anyways, over here it's saying that they have a battery that's 85 milliamp hours in each earbud, and then the charging case that comes with is 700 milliamp hours. And they say that basically on a single charge, they can go 4 hours, and then if you use the case, you can get up to 18 hours. So that's pretty awesome. And yeah, let's open these guys up. So I'm gonna take out my little handy dandy knife. Pull this open. And on the back, like I was showing you, it has the different features on here. I just want to get into that a little bit more. So let me pull this up.
So you see over here that they have a bunch of features. The first one is ultra intuitive touch, which is basically just like sliding up and down for the volume. You can double tap on the side to like take your calls or end them. Long pressing will reject the call or obviously get to your assistant as well. This is something that Mobvoi really cares about. In-ear detection, like the Airpods, where you pull it out, pause it, is really awesome. And then they really tried to get the sound right with matching up with your videos, noise isolation. The calling works from both ears in this version. Some noise cancellation. This is the assistant that I was talking about. There's some different colors you can get this in. There's the battery we discussed a little bit earlier. And they have some IPX5 water resistance.
Okay, so now that we got to see all those features, let's actually get into the unboxing. So this box just slides right open. Ooh, nice. So you can see the case that the headphones come in. Seems to have some sort of cord, probably for carrying right there. Put it right on your side of it. See if there's anything underneath it. So it has this little thing over here, some paperwork. I'm sure we'll need that to figure out how to use this thing. Oh, nice charging cable. Sweet. And it has both USB-C and micro USB for charging that goes right into the normal USB output, as you can see right there. So USB-C, micro USB. So you might see the quality in the video actually go down a little bit. The beginning of this video, I was taking on the Galaxy S9, my phone, and I wanted to switch so I could show you on my phone how I'm connecting the device and everything like that. So I switched to the ZTE Axon 7, my wife's phone, to take this video. But I just wanted to show you they also come with these little tips. And now I'm going to try to go through the process of pairing. So I'm going to open up my phone, and first I'm going to open my phone, go to my settings, and I'm going to open Bluetooth device. So you can see I have some things already connected, and I'm going to open this, and it should start to find it automatically. Let's see. Ooh, my bad. Should start to find it automatically. Let's see. I'm going to rescan that because I closed it on accident. Let's see what happens. Come on. Let's see if this works. Like I said, it's like my first time doing it. Oh! Sweet, TicPods 1BEO. So I'm going to press on that and see what happens. Ooh, connected for call and media audio. Let's try this out. I'm going to take these guys out for the first time. So So there's definitely a magnetic pull on these. So I took it out, and it says R for right, it says L, sweet. So let's try those out. I'm gonna put them in. Oh wow, they definitely get a nice tight seal. I feel like I definitely get a noise cancellation. So I'm gonna go into Amazon, just play the first thing that comes up. Pop for Summer, try that. Oh wow. Okay, I think I'm hearing it out of both ears. Trying to make it a little bit louder with this swipe. Oh, that switched the song. Oh, that's lowering the volume. Oh wow. Basically, I realize now that when I swipe up and down, it's not actually going to adjust the volume on my phone, it's adjusting it to the inside the headphones. But let me just try a couple of these other gestures that are on here. So it says that if I want to skip the song, I can either press twice on either side. So let me try that out and see what happens. I'm going to press twice. A little finicky, but I'm still figuring it out. Might not do it while it's on pause. Let's first unpause it. So to unpause, it says to hold down the left side for 2 seconds. Okay, that worked. Now let's try to skip the next song while it's actually playing. So twice. That worked. Okay, great. And then obviously I can adjust the volume, which I know works. I've tried that before. Sweet. If you want to get the voice assistant on, it says to hold down the right side for 2 seconds. So let's see if that works. Maybe a different spot. Let's see. Holding down the right side for 2 seconds. Doesn't seem to be working. Skipped. So basically, I switched back to the S9 to take the video. I took these guys out. First impressions are that I had to cut out in the middle the features of like all those different intuitive touches and stuff like that. I think they work. I just obviously need to get a little more practice with that. Maybe more like a full review. I can really tell you if they work or not because obviously they're a little bit more finicky than I expected. But first reaction is these things are really cool. Like they fit right in my ear. It's really great. They have these other sizes that come with it. They get their noise canceling. It's like really difficult to take a video while I'm trying to test it out because I can't even hear myself talking. That's how they work. I'm not going to say like I don't want to over-exaggerate that you can't hear anything, but they definitely were doing a job of cutting out a lot of noise. I think it's really cool. They're supposed to just disconnect right when you put them back in. So I'm actually going to just try that out and see how they just slide right back in. I think this was a really cool first video for myself. Obviously want to be able to test these guys out a little bit more. I did get when I pull them out, just when it does that automatic pause, I did get that to work a couple times for like the Airpods. I think they work pretty well. I obviously have to learn. It's a little bit there for me. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. And yeah, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this cool tech, stuff that's been crowdfunded. I was basically inspired to take this video by MKBHD and Unbox Therapy, YouTubers like them. If you've never heard of them, definitely check out their channels. I'm going to link them in. I'll also link in the TicPods where I got these on Indiegogo. And these are hopefully going to be available real soon in the States. And yeah, thanks for watching.